Hey guys, Nick here and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about wireless earbuds. Now my personal wireless earbuds are the AirPods Pro. They have seemed to run away at me at the moment, but I use them day to day, and the reason I love them is one, because they're Apple products, they just work seamlessly across all my devices. The sound cancellation is great, battery life is awesome, and the form factor is really good. The biggest downside to AirPods Pro for myself and to a lot of people out there is the price. Depending on where you are in the world, it's gonna cost a lot of money. Like in America, it's about $200. Here in Canada, it's about $330. So that's a lot of money to drop on earbuds. And when Anker reached out and wanted me to have a look at their Liberty Air 2 Pros for this year, I saw the price point and I was like, you know what? I wanna check these out. So we are talking about, like I said, the Liberty Air 2 Pro. It's a hell of a name, but anyway, they are wireless earbuds. And just like the AirPods Pro, they have active noise cancellation. So this case here is the earbuds themselves, and it slides up, and there you go. Let's go through the spec sheet of the Liberty Air 2 Pros. So they're Bluetooth 5.0 noise canceling earbuds. They're not water repellent, but sweat, little splash here and there. It's gonna be fine. They have a charging case, which gives them 26 hours of reported battery life, and the earbuds themselves have 6 to 7 hours independently. And everything else is pretty much similar to the AirPods Pro. You have some touch controls on the side that can control play and pause and the different noise cancelling options. You can have them independently of each other, so you can have one in as like a Bluetooth headset. They also have auto play pause, so if you've got music playing, you take them out, it stops, put them in, they start up again. So a lot of pro features in a package that only comes in at $130 US. So super affordable. And they also come in multiple colors. So I think from memory, you get black, silver, and dark blue. They all come in this little charging case. As I mentioned, the charging case is plastic, but it's like this nice, soft felt material. It's so nice to touch. Like tactility is a thing and I love it. It has this awesome sliding lid that just sort of slides off like that. And as someone who loves to fidget, I have a fidget cube here somewhere. This is just, oh my God, it's so much fun to play. It's just super addictive to just slide on and off. When you slide it open, they enter pairing mode. And so just like AirPods Pro, you pop the lid, you can start pairing them. Same thing here. You also get battery indicators, and then you can pop the earbuds out. They also magnetically slot in like the AirPods Pro. A lot of things similar here. The case itself is pretty minimal. It charges via USB-C, which is awesome. And it has this button here, which is gonna give you the battery indicator as well. On the other side of the lid, you get your FCC regulation stuff. Nothing super important there. Other than that, super nice design. And honestly, I prefer this case to the AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro is a white gloss material. It gets dirty, it scuffs easily, and you can see your earwax in there when they get dirty. It's actually quite gross. This one so far is really nice. I haven't noticed any sort of grime or anything like that. The outside is easier to keep clean unless you've got greasy mitts, but I think it looks nicer, feels nicer for sure. The only downside to this case, and it's actually a downside to the AirPods Pro as well, is that the earbuds themselves can be a little hard to pick out, and that's just because you don't have as much room here to take them out. Pretty minor complaint there with the case. Other than that, it's all good. Now, fit-wise, the biggest thing with in-ear buds like this, so the noise cancelling ones, is fitting them to your ear. Luckily, the Liberty Air 2 Pro come with a wide array of ear tips, 9 sizes in total. So I don't think you're gonna have a single issue finding the right one to fit your ear. I know I didn't, and with the AirPods Pro, it took me a little bit to sort of figure out which one worked, but they only have 3 options. You have 9 with this. So guaranteed to get a fit that works. These are earbuds, sound quality. What is it like? Obviously, with a review like this, pretty hard to talk about. All I'm gonna say is that they are pretty comparable to the AirPods Pro if we're using that as the benchmark. They definitely have a lot more bass. You can see I'm playing with this constantly. So addictive. They have a lot more bass than the AirPods Pro, but not so much that it overpowers the highs and the mids. So it's actually really nice. It's almost like wearing over-ear headphones with the amount of bass that you get. So personally, I prefer these to the AirPods Pro. And for something that's like $80 cheaper, $70, $80 cheaper, that's incredible, because with earbuds, anything like that, that's all you care about, right? Is sound quality. The design is great. The sound quality is incredible. So that's the sound quality, more bass, but clear highs and mids. So yeah, in my opinion, I think these sound better than the AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro probably a bit more realistic. The bass is certainly a lot more controlled, but personally, I like that heavy bass, and so that's why I prefer these. Phone call quality, also pretty good. I called a buddy twice, didn't tell him which one was which, and he thought they sounded exactly the same, could not tell which time I was wearing the AirPods Pro, which time I was wearing the Liberty Air 2 Pros. However, when I put a face mask on to test how they work throughout a face mask, because you know, COVID things, they were able to tell which ones were the AirPods Pro, and apparently that these ones did sound a little more muffled, but definitely not bad, just noticeably different. So sound quality for phone calls, also pretty good. And that's pretty much all I have to say about the Liberty Air 2 Pros. Definitely think they need a shorter name. Definitely need a different name. I love this case, if you can't tell. I'm just constantly playing with it. It's one of my favorite things about these, which is crazy. If you want to check these out, guys, there will be links in the description below. These are a great choice for those of you looking for noise canceling earbuds, but didn't really feel like shelling out the cost for the AirPods Pro. I think these are a great option, gonna be great for pretty much everyone out there. If you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.